Learn English. Through Amanda Love Stories, story number 1. 1 day. At work. Amanda received a beautiful flower bouquet. In it, she counted 11 flowers and found a short note. In it was written in beautiful lettering and said, "My love for you will last until the day the last flower in this bouquet dies." The note was from her husband, who had gone on a business trip, unsure as to what to make of the message. She went home in the evening and soaked the flowers with water. 1 day after another, the flowers became a little less beautiful until they all died. All but one flower. This was the day when she realized that there was one artificial flower in the bouquet that would last forever. The bicycle ride. It is the year 1975 when Charlotte von Sledvin, a 19-year-old student of a Swedish royal family, travels to India to get a portrait made by a gifted artist. The artist was born into a poor Indian family of the lowest caste, also known as the Untouchables. Despite the incredibly difficult circumstances, the artist, named Pawan Kumar Mishra, had gained an outstanding reputation for being a gifted painter. His reputation led Charlotte von Sledvin to travel all the way to India to get her portrait done. By the time the portrait was finished, the two had fallen in love. Pawan was fascinated with Charlotte's beauty. Never before had he seen a more beautiful woman from the Western world. He gave his best to capture all her beauty in the portrait, yet never fully succeeded. Nonetheless, the portrait was magnificent, and Charlotte fell for his simplicity and his beautiful character. Because of him. She spontaneously decided to stay longer, in, India, out, of, a, couple, of, days, became, weeks, and, then, even, months, the, two, had, fallen, so, deeply, in, love, that, they, decided, to, get, married, according, to, traditional, Indian, rituals, unfortunately, the, time, came, when, Charlotte, had, to, leave, again, in, order, to, complete, her, studies, in, London, thousands, of, miles, separated, the, two, but, their, feelings, for, each, other, never, changed, they, stayed, in, contact, through, letters, which, they, exchanged, almost, weekly, with, each, other, naturally, the, newlyweds, terribly, struggled, with, the, great, distance, between, each, other, Charlotte, offered, her, husband, to, buy, him, air, tickets, which, he, refused, he, had, not, only, decided, to, complete, his, studies, first, but, he, had, also, set, his, mind, on, reuniting, with, the, love, of, his, life, on, his, own, terms, he, even, made, her, the, promise, that, he, would, do, anything, he, can, to, see, her, again. If you have learned something in this video, please do like to share and subscribe to my channel. And I hope we will meet in the next video with some more love stories to improve your speaking English.